What if I told you there's a way to live for free and even make money while building wealth? It's called house hacking, and it's the ultimate real estate strategy for beginners. Stick around, and I'll show you how to turn your home into an income-generating asset. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, I'm Belinda, and welcome to Financially Savvy. If you're new here, this channel is your go-to for smart money moves and wealth-building strategies. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our weekly tips. Today, we're talking about house hacking, a game-changing strategy that lets you live rent-free while earning passive income. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start house hacking and why it's one of the smartest moves for financial freedom. Number 1. What is house hacking? So, what is house hacking? It's a strategy where you purchase a property, live in one part of it, and rent out the rest to cover your mortgage or even turn a profit. Here's how it works. Keycap 1. Buy a duplex, triplex, or quadplex. Live in one unit and rent out the others. Keycap 2. Purchase a single-family home with extra bedrooms and rent out the rooms to roommates. Keycap 3. Invest in a property with a basement or guest suite and rent it out on Airbnb. House hacking is perfect for beginners because it lets you start small, live affordably, and learn the basics of property management while building equity in your home. Number 2. Why house hacking works. House hacking works because it combines 3 powerful benefits. Checkmark. Reduced living costs. Your tenant's rent covers most, or all, of your mortgage. Checkmark. Cash flow. With the right property, you can generate monthly income. Checkmark. Wealth building. While your tenants pay down your mortgage, your property appreciates in value over time. Imagine living rent-free, earning an extra $500, $1,000 a month while your property value increases. That's the magic of house hacking. Number 3. How to find the perfect property. Finding the right property is key to a successful house hack. Here's what to look for. Keycap 1. Multi-unit properties. Duplexes, triplexes, or quadplexes are ideal for renting out multiple units. Keycap 2. Single-family homes with extra space. Look for homes with basements, in-law suites, or extra bedrooms. Keycap 3. High-demand areas. Focus on locations with strong rental demand, near schools, public transportation, or businesses. Keycap 4. Affordability. Make sure the rent you'll collect covers your mortgage and expenses. Use tools like Zillow, Redfin, or Realtor.com to find properties, and don't forget to run the numbers to ensure it's a smart investment. Number 4. Financing your house hack. Next, let's talk about financing. The best part about house hacking is that you can start with little money down. Here are some great options. Keycap 1. FHA loans. You can buy a multi-unit property with just 3.5% down as long as you live in one unit. Keycap 2. Conventional loans. For those with 20% down, this is another solid option. Keycap 3. VA loans. If you're a veteran, you can buy a property with $0 down. Keycap 4. House hacking partnerships. Team up with a friend or family member to split costs and profits. The key is to talk to a lender and understand what you can afford. Remember, house hacking is about starting where you are, not waiting for the perfect time. Number 5. Managing your property. Once you've got your property, managing it effectively is crucial. Here's how to do it right. Checkmark. Screen tenants carefully. Always check credit scores, references, and employment history. Checkmark. Set competitive rent. Research the market to price your units fairly. Checkmark. Maintain the property. Handle repairs quickly and keep your tenants happy. Checkmark. Use technology. Platforms like Zillow Rental Manager or Cozy make it easy to collect rent and manage leases. Good management can mean the difference between a stress-free investment and a money pit. Treat your property like a business. Key takeaways. To recap, here's how you can live for free and build wealth with house hacking. Keycap 1. Buy a property with rental potential. Keycap 2. Use financing options like FHA loans to start with less money. Key Cap 3. Rent out extra units, rooms, or spaces to cover your mortgage. Key Cap 4. Manage your property well to maximize cash flow and long-term wealth. House hacking is one of the fastest and smartest ways to get into real estate, build equity, and create financial freedom. Are you ready to start? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's ready to change their life with real estate. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips on building wealth and creating passive income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.